So the fundamental thesis I started this company is to manufacture the cells for the Indian conditions and Indian abusive conditions, Indian road conditions. So that is what we are doing as a company. And at the same time, India is very cost sensitive market. So we need to give the cells to the OEM the best price. So in that way, we are reinventing a lot of processes at the cell level and also at the manufacturing level, so that we can give not only a good price but also very good quality cell at par to the international suppliers what they are currently getting it from either from China or Korea. So we are doing already simulations with the different softwares at the cell level. We are doing it. At the same time, we are also doing at the material level. So we benchmark our materials and try to get the data and try to harness the data, and we can utilize the same data for the different batches of the cells we are going to manufacture that one. An example I will tell you is, if you are getting a material, for example a cathode material from the same supplier, and we are getting multiple batches, whether the data is matching with the batch of material we received 6 months back. So in that way, we had a lot of analysis we are doing, and what we can expect better is we can use the simulation software. So at the cell level, definitely we need some data to look into that without developing a real cell, right? So in that way, what we are doing is we are trying to simulate the data with the different components that go into the cell, like cathode material, anode material, the separators, binders, and tune it out into different temperatures. Like you input the parameters like different operating temperature, different vibrations, and different kinds of abusive conditions, and try to simulate with the real world application and at the cell level. Then if you make a pack, how it behaves. So in that way, the simulation software is helping us a lot for our product to get into the market fast. So GT Suite, definitely there are a lot of components which they are specific to the cell level. So the support, definitely the kind of team they have internally, which we are not working for different parts of the world, and having a lot of experience working with at the cell level to the pack level all the way to the OEM level. They are connecting all the dots. So in that way, they definitely will help us at the cell level what the pack can do, and if you make a pack, how the battery can work, and when you put the battery into the vehicle, how it is going to help. So they connect all the dots for us in terms of the putting the cell into the battery pack, then into the vehicle, then into the real world application. The team is always helpful in many ways, because it's initially we need to have a lot of learning curve about the product, where GT team given us a lot of insights and spent a lot of hours with us to train the tool and address the problems which our team is facing. In that way, they are helped a lot at initial stage. Then over the period of time, we taken it up, and there are a lot of upcoming features are adding, which they are telling us in a video format or in a run books, which help us to incorporate the new versions that coming into the product.